the first time I'm visiting Dakshinapuram restaurant. It is passing through lunchtime kada అని చెప్పి వచ్చాను. The food is extraordinary. Felt like mummy మనకి వండి పెట్టినంత feeling వచ్చింది. I love the food. Every item is delicious. And I thank management for providing this kind of ambience, food, hospitality. Thank you so much and wish you all the best.